Getting the TikTok error like visibility restricted, your video is not eligible for your feed, or some of your posts are restricted by TikTok. Don't worry, let's see how you can fix this properly and make sure your account has no outstanding issues. So first you have to open up your TikTok app and go to your profile. Now tap on the hamburger menu in the top right corner, and from here go to TikTok Studio or Business Suite depending on what you see. So next go to account status, and when you open this section, TikTok will automatically recheck all the videos you have uploaded before. So if TikTok finds any issue with a video, that video may be restricted and you will see the reason here. So if you're getting this kind of visibility restricted noticed on any video, you can open it and check the reason. So in your case, if you believe your video follows the rules and the restrictions is incorrect, you can appeal directly from here. However, if you're connected about your account safety and future stability, a better option is to remove or re-edit any risky video from your account. So whenever you try to upload something, before uploading again, make sure your video is high quality first. It's a real and original video you created yourself. And try to make sure it's not copied or stolen from others. It follows TikTok community guidelines. It doesn't include violence, hate, spam, or misleading content. And you must have to use copyright-free music or preferably TikTok built-in music like this way. And lastly, try to remove anything that looks risky or suspicious. So once everything looks good and you're satisfied, upload the video. And after uploading, you can check again by going to Profile, Hamburger menu, and from TikTok Studio, go to Account Status. And if everything is fine, you will see that your video has no outstanding issues. This actually helps keep your account risk-free, improve visibility, and also make your account more eligible for monetization in the future. And that's it. That's how you can actually fix the TikTok video not eligible problem. So good luck and thanks for watching.